Okay, we will tell you how to connect the cable. Here now we have the main power line and the rotary foot switch and the USB cable. Okay, now we start. This is the USB cable. Connect with the laser machine and the computer. Second, we connect the rotary port inside of the cabinet. Okay, it's for chrome. Fix it. The main power line. Okay. This is the foot switch. When you connect the foot switch and the rotary, you need to pay attention on the mark point here. You can see. We connect the main power line. Okay, now we start the laser button, and first we start the main power switch. First, we need to confirm that this button is already pulled out, not press down. Press down is for emergency use. You need to pull out. Okay. You need to open the laser head button and the laser source button. Here, we can see the voltage here. Okay, now we already finished the line connection. The next, we will tell you how to start use the mini cabinet machine. This machine, the mini cabinet machine, is for the jewelry field. Have the rotary and the holder. The rotary and the holder is optional parts. If you want it, you need to purchase separately. Okay, now first we need to start the Wechat. Input the letters that we want to engraving. Okay, we need to input here. Click the apply button. And we can set the size here, size of the Bogong. Okay, now you can see the Bogong letters only have the outer line, so we need to fill the line, attach it here. Okay, and we can set the line distance. 多少呀？0.09就行。Okay, 0.09. Click apply. The next step is to set the speed, the power. We set the speed 800, laser power 70, frequency 40. Okay. The next we need to adjust the focus distance. use the up-down button. We need to dot together. This process, we call it focus, find the focus. You can see two dots together. Now click the light button to show you where will be the engraving place. Okay, now we click mark button. Okay, now I'll show you how to use the photo switch to control the mark. Okay, and you can see the red indicator. Now we need to stop the light button. Stop. Okay, and use the photo switch.